Hey y'all, thank you so much for visiting my channel. Welcome back. And if you're new here, hopefully I could say welcome back to you the next time. Anyway, I just had a channel message real quick. I'm outside breathing in this good ass piranha, baby. Anyway, y'all, I feel like something major is gonna happen in the summertime. Okay, I'm seeing a city, something between, I heard an Asian business owner and someone of a different race. I heard Brooklyn. Alright, I also feel like some form of police brutality is gonna occur in the summertime. I feel like this person is gonna be like a FedEx delivery driver or like a UPS, Amazon, whatever. And it's like this is gonna be big because they messed with the wrong one this time, is what I'm hearing. I don't even know, like, anyway, I'm not gonna say that. Spirit, what is this about? A fight? Racial tension. Okay, I feel like someone... Okay, let me see. Wow, y'all, look. Didn't I tell y'all? Look at what just came out. Something about the police in the summertime. Some form of police brutality is gonna occur. What are you saying, Spirit? Can you give me more information, please, to give to the collective? Why? What do we need to do? Like, what is this message for? Opposition and integrate. Okay, first I heard something about race, like someone tried to marry outside their race or something, or like, I'm sure this is I don't know if this is one big event that I'm channeling or if this is, you know, multiple events around the world. You know, I heard Brooklyn. I'm seeing Italian. Passano. Whoa. Good cop, bad cop. Oh shit. Okay, this is what I'm hearing. One of the cops wanted to show out in front of the other cop to try to get a promotion or something, or try to like show out for some reason. It could even be monetary wise. I heard, okay? What? This is gonna something's gonna backfire, and the police are they are usually in the fucking wrong they're always in the fucking wrong when it comes to police brutality, just period. They're always in the wrong, period. Otherwise, it wouldn't be called brutality. It would just be called police being police. Nah, them niggas is brutal to certain folks. I keep seeing a freaking deli, bro. Like a bodega is what I'm hearing. I don't know exactly what a bodega is, but that's what I'm hearing. I'm seeing 42C, like a subway sign that says 42C. 42C in Brooklyn. Oh, shit. I love being outside now, but I still, me and the bugs, we got to get on one of the cords. Anyway, 42C. In Brooklyn. I don't know what that means. I don't know what that subway goes to or what. Italianos. I don't know what the fuck we're talking about here. Wow, it's something. Look, y'all. Black Panther on the bottom of the fucking deck, bro. I'm telling y'all, what the fuck is this, Spirit? What we talking about? It's like a race war. I'm telling y'all. Fuck, bro. I don't want to. All right, let me just deliver the message. All right, let me be obedient. All right. Someone's perception is off, okay? I'm picking up a couple of different, like, I don't know how to decipher all of this completely, but it's like okay, it's two sides, right? It's a black and it's a white. It's a Mexican. It's a Italian. It's just two sides. Whatever the race is, I'm feeling like it's gonna be a dark and a light. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say. Oh shit, that even has a meaning. A dark and a light. A dark being and a light being. A white person and a black person. Okay. And I'm not necessarily saying that's what I just know it's going to be a dark person, a darker skinned person, and a lighter skinned person is what I'm seeing. And then look, on both of these cards, you have a black man and looks like, could be Italian man. Or white or whatever. Okay. Then you have a black man with, I don't know what the hell he is. I'm going to say he white though. I don't know who the hell that is. Oh, that's the dude. Yeah. I think he's definitely yeah. It literally says to the death on it. Well, Spirit, why are you telling us about this? What do we need to do about it? A feather literally just fell. I'm sure it wasn't a feather, like a piece of a flower, like the flower maybe that you blow, and it just fell down ever softly, ever so softly. Integration, communication. I heard sensation, but what the fuck? What are we talking about? Okay, on a smaller note, because I feel like that's gonna be something that is actually seen, okay, in the summertime. I don't know. I mean, it happens more often than we realize, but I feel like this one is sounds kind of fucked up. Somebody might get stabbed or something. I'm hearing. I'm hearing like it's not even gonna be like a regular police brutality type of case. I'm hearing it's gonna be something that is so brutal that it just doesn't make sense. Spirit, what about this? Look, y'all, more people of color. Mi vida loca. Maybe Hispanic. And like I'm saying, and here go black folks. Life after death. Hypnotized. Big Papa, storyteller, legend. Wait a minute. That lady got a gun in her hand. Somebody loses it, bruh. Somebody fucking loses it. Somebody fucking loses it. Somebody's gonna die. Okay. I don't. You want to help me understand this better, Spirit, so we can understand why you telling us. Who is this for? Is this one big thing? Or is this what we doing? Because I'm hearing multiple stories. But to begin the message off, it was just like a big event is happening this summer. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if one of y'all know somebody that's gonna be. You know what I'm saying? This might happen to, or you know what I'm saying, like an area where you live close in, or why I'm picking this up. Hell, it might be in my area. I don't know what this is, but I feel like it's a bigger city though. All right, Spirit, what do we need to know about this for? Oh, this is the Ghetto Nun tune in deck for those wondering, okay? The Ghetto Nun tune in deck. Happy times, sad times. Oh my freaking gosh. Cherish this moment. Oh my fucking goodness. What the fuck is gonna happen, y'all? Cherish this moment. Oh my fucking goodness. What is this? I just saw okay, we're not gonna say that. What is this, Spirit? Something is happening this summer, y'all. Globally. Bruv, look at this shit. The first thing I saw was globally. Magic might have something to do with this, with the 4 elements being right here. I see 4 elements, I think of magic automatically. Because that's what the magician doing. He got the 4 elements right there on his table. He holding his hand up to the sky like, give me the power. Well, he holding his wand up to the sky, give me the power. He pointing his hand down to the earth, as above, so below. You understand what I'm saying? The 4 elements. This is some kind of global thing that is about to occur in the summertime. Wow, now I'm picking up something else, y'all. This is fucking wow. Some kind of major shift is about to occur this summer. Whoa. For what? What's the what? What kind of shifts? Sweetheart. Sweetheart. What is this? What are we talking about? What? So, y'all, literally. I heard war. Steel magnolias. Damn, I ain't got my other phone on me, do I? Let me see what the spiritual significance of magnolias is. Steel, that means hard ass. What does steel magnolias mean, period? Like, what is that? Is that a saying or something? Like, I know it's a movie, but still strong. Okay, strong women. Strong women. We are strong women. Yes. Damn. What you saying though, spirit? Y'all, literally on this card, it says Civil War on it. It literally says Civil War. I'm telling you, something big is gonna happen this fucking summer, civilly. And I hear race war. Or something to do with fuck. I'm telling you, literally, I just looked down and what did I see? Fight in racial. (42C) Subway 42C in Brooklyn. Let me look this up because it's 546. That number might be significant too. All right, let's see. I feel like I should have went live with this. Something told me to. Me, my higher self. That's what. The fuck was I finna look up? 42C Subway 42C in Brooklyn. I don't even know if that's. I don't know what that is, or if that's even a thing. Subway. New York. Rockaway Park. Ain't that in Queens? I know Far Rockaway is, right? I don't know nothing about Brooklyn or the subway, though. I stayed in New York when I was a little girl. 42nd Street is Times Square. I don't know nothing about this. Okay, I don't even know what I'm supposed to look up. Anyway, 42C Subway. Or maybe that's, anyway, I don't know. I guess it'll come to light if it needs to. Back off, okay? What else is going on, Spirit? What else do we need to know about this? What do we need to do? The right thing. What's the right thing, though? Invest. I heard instincts. What's your advice for us, Spirit? Oh my fucking God. So, something might happen on the subway out here. At Subway? What are we talking about? Okay, Spirit, what else? No. What's your advice for us? What we need to know this for a while? We need to know prepare is what I heard. But how we gonna prepare when I'm only getting like I don't understand what's going on here. Falling. Drop what? Stop. Dropping. What? Stop. What are you talking about? Wait, stop. What the fuck? What are you talking about? Hold on, yeah. Oh, fuck. Stop. Okay. Oh my gosh. X. Breaking away from something. Breaking away from what? Whoa, y'all. We're being called back to the earth. Bruh. I really want to take this out my ear right now, but I'm scared y'all might not hear me or the video might cut off. I don't know. Get a load of just the beauty of nature, y'all. Isn't she gorgeous? Absolutely beautiful. Get out in nature. Get out in nature. Get some raw. Get some sun. Get your downloads. Okay? Let your skin glisten out here and glow. You can literally see the hues in you. When you come outside in the sun, you can see the hues of light in you. We are light beings. Let's see. What's the advice, please? What do we need to cut away from? Being bashful? What? Stop. Oh my God. Stop allowing shit to go on around us when we know it's wrong. We have the snake and sunglasses. Sunglasses is watching, looking, perception being off though, like gaslighting, delusional almost. Side note, somebody thinks that somebody did something to them and they didn't. A female, you think a female did something with your man or something, or like, of course that is very specific. If you know, then you know, okay? Type of shit. That was for someone specific. She did not sleep with your man, sis. Your perception is off. I heard Aries and Aquarius, Libra, Leo. I heard Lion. I don't know if that was lying or lion. Petway. Petty. I don't know. Anyway, all right. Snake sunglasses came out. Stop. Oh. Wow. It looks like a call for women's unity. Honestly. Stop thinking that your sister is your enemy. Real talk. Honestly, I'm going to just tell you what I just heard. I don't know. That's a whole nother message. But, y'all, if you don't know me, that is definitely what I am all about is unity. I don't care what your color, your race, your creed, any of that shit. Bro, we all fucking humans. You know what I'm saying? Like, what the fuck? Let's share knowledge with one another and stop thinking our knowledge is better than the other person's. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what it's all about. It's about, I know more than you, I got more money than you, and I got more pussy or dick than you. Like, get the fuck. Life is so much more than that. We just gotten fucked up. It's time to come back to reality. Look, cut off karmic relationships. Look, listen, let me tell you something. All this stuff we've been doing on Earth, like, we are literally in a karmic relationship with Earth. Like, just think about it. We are so karmic to Earth. Let me say that. We are so fucking karmic to her. If you just think about what a karmic relationship... Okay, it says, they're like, read it. Okay, fleeting triggers turmoil, resentment, lessons, letting go. Okay. No. Damn, y'all. Alright, I'm gonna go now. Because, yeah, what the fuck, the Grim Reaper. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Love y'all.